us start with 10th standard students. Let us start with exercise 1.3. I hope everybody has done the graph, and if you have any doubts you can call me and ask. Now let us start with exercise 1.3. Again, this exercise is very important, Cramer's rule. Before that, we have to learn what is a determinant. For example, the formula for this is modulus. Everybody you know, absolute value we have found out already. Till 8th standard and 9th standard we have learned what is an absolute value. Now, here in this A, B, C, D, 4 values are given. In this, for finding the determinants, 4 values are there. A into D minus B into C. This is the basic you have to learn. In order to find the determinant, if inside the modulus 4 values are given, means cross multiply. First A into D minus B into C or C into A. Any way you can take A into D minus B into C. It will give the determinant value. First question, 3, 4, 2, 5. Cross multiply 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4 or 4 into 2. Box is given. So 3 into 5, 15 minus 2 into 4, 8. The answer is 7. Question number 2. Again we are going to find out the determinants. Minus 1, 2, 7, 4. Minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 7. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 14. The answer is minus 18. Second question. 5 minus 7, 3, 0. 5 into 0 minus 7 into 3. 5 into 0 becomes 0. Minus into minus plus 7 into 3, 21. So the answer is 21. Now if it is in fraction or in decimal, everything the method goes same. 7 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 3, 1 upon 2. 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 into 5 upon 3. 7 into 1, 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. Since the denominator is same, directly you can add or subtract the numerator. If the denominator is different, you have to find the LCM. 7 minus 15 is minus 8 upon 6. It is reducing the fraction. It is minus 4 upon 3. Now the third, that is the very important question, which is very important for the board. It is Cramer's rule to find out. I have already taught you in 9th standard also. The first one is eliminating the coefficient, that method. Second is substitution method. And the third one was if the digits are interchanged. And in 10th standard, we have started with graphical method of solving the linear equations in 2 variables. Now this is the 5th method, that is Cramer's rule. First you have to learn the formula for finding determinant. Formula is A1, A2, B1, B2. That means A1, B2, A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1. All these things same goes like A, B, C, D. Only this you have to learn. The determinant is A1, A2, B1, B2. Determinant X is C1, C2, B1, B2. And determinant Y is A1, A2, C1, C2. And for finding out the value of X, it is dx upon D. And for finding out the value of Y, it is dy upon D. What is A1, A2 and A1, B1 and C1, and what is A2, B2 and C2? Let us see from the sum. First question, 3x minus 4y is 10, that is the first equation. And 4x plus 3y is 5, that is the second equation. Now, I will say you what is A1. The first equation you see, the coefficient of x is A1, the coefficient of y is B1 and the constant is C1. Same in the second equation. The coefficient of x is A2, coefficient of y is B2 and this constant is C2. You have to take the coefficient along with the sign. A1 is 3, B1 is minus 4 and C1 is 10. A2 is 4, B2 is 3 and C2 is 5. First you have to take this very properly. Again I am repeating, 2 equations will be given. First equation, all the coefficients will be A1, B1, C1. Second equation coefficients will be A2, B2, C2. The coefficients has to be taken along with the sign. Now what is D1? A1, A2, B1, B2. Put up the values. 3, 4, minus 4, 3. So 3 into 3 minus 4 into minus 4. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16. So the determinant value is 25. Now what is determinant X? C1, C2, B1, B2. Put up the values. 10, 5, minus 4, 3. 10 into 3 minus 5 into minus 4. 10 into 3 is 30. Minus 5 into minus 4 is 20. So we will get 50. Now what is determinant Y? Now determinant Y, the formula is A1, A2, C1, C2. Put up the values. What is your A1? 3 and A2 is 4. C1 is 10 and C2 is 5. Cross multiply 3 into 5 minus 4 into 10, which is equal to 15 minus 40, which is equal to minus 25. Here you have to write, therefore, by Cramer's rule, according to Cramer's rule, we are going to find out the value of x and y. X is dx upon d, which is equal to, what is dx? 50 upon 25, which is equal to 2. Y is dy upon d, which is equal to, what is dy? Minus 25 upon 25, which is equal to minus 1. As usual, the last step, that is xy, which is equal to 2 and minus 1. Very important, students. This full one sum comes for 3 marks. This will be half, 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 and this too will be half, half, and the last writing is half. So in this way, 3 marks it is distributed for Cramer's rule. I'll solve one more sum for you, so that remaining you can try for the homework. Now let me solve the fourth sum for you. Fourth sum, 6x minus 4y is minus 12, equation 1, and 8x minus 3y is minus 2, equation 2. So from the equation we can easily find out. Here A1 is 6, B1 is minus 4, and C1 is minus 12. A2 is 8, B2 is minus 3, and C2 is minus 2. Therefore, determinant, what is the formula? Every time no need of writing the formula. Easily you can learn A1, A2, B1, B2. That is 6, 8, B1 minus 4 and this one. So it will be 6 into minus 3 minus 8 into minus 4, which is equal to minus 18 plus 8 4s are 32. So 32 minus 8, 12 minus 8, 4, and 2 minus 1, 1. Since it is the bigger number, so the answer will be 14. Next, dx formula is C1, C2, B1, B2. That is minus 12, minus 2, minus 4 and minus 3, which is equal to minus 12 into minus 3 minus 2 into minus 4. Minus into minus, it will be plus 36, minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8, which is equal to 44. Now dy is equal to A1, A2, C1, C2, that is 6, 8, and C1, C2 is minus 12 minus 2, which is equal to 6 into minus 2 minus 8 into minus 12, which is equal to minus 12 plus 8 12s are 96, which is equal to 6 minus 2, 4, 9 minus 1, 8. See, here I have made one mistake in dx. Minus 12 into minus 3 minus minus 2 into minus 4. So minus 12 into minus 3, 36. Minus 2 into minus 4 will become 8. Minus into 8 will become minus 8. The answer will be 28. Now dy is A1, A2, C1, C2. So you will get the answer as 84. So before finding what is x and y, first you have to mention by Cramer's rule, x is dx upon d, so 28 upon 14, 2, and y is dy upon d, that is 84 upon 14, 6. So 2 questions I have solved, total it is 6 questions. So if it is a fraction, see here I have given you sums for practice. So for example here, it is a fraction. So as usual, what I said to you in graphical method or solve the simultaneous equations, whatever may be method, if already I have stated you the denominator, if you have a fraction, if the same number is there, multiply the equation throughout by that number. But here it is 3 and 4. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? It will be 12. So multiply, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So multiply first equation by 12. You will not get any denominator. Then you will get what is A1, B1 and C1. So complete this. Sums for practice also I have given. Complete these sums as well as you have to complete exercise 1.3. So this is all for today. So you have to solve exercise 1.2, 1.2, 1.1, 1.1 and 1.3. So that any doubts means you can call me personally and you can ask. This is all for today.